I've got the Mova Z60 Pro, the domestic version of the Mova Z60 Ultra, right here. Both share the same specs, and while the Z60 Ultra retails at $1,500, you might snag it for less. Its performance is anything but budget. So let's dive into what makes it stand out. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button above. techTongBo, a factory specializing in vacuum accessories, will keep growing. Let's start with the standout features of the Mova Z60 Ultra. The extended roller mop measures 10.08 inches and it can exert a pressure of 4,199 pascals on the ground. This means it covers small surface areas and tackles tough stands with ease. It also features real-time mop cleaning, similar to the Debolt X11 Pro reviewed. Dirt sticks to one side of the mop, while a scrubber bar cleans it. 12 nozzles keeps the mop damp and a rubber strip fluffs the brush, ensuring the mop stays clean for effective scrubbing. When it encounters carpets, an ultimate extension shot covers the mop to prevent contact, keeping carpets dry. These thoughtful details make a big difference. The dual brush system combines a rubber brush and a bristles brush. The bristles brush digs deep into crevices to swipe out dust, while the rubber brush rapidly taps hard floors and carpets to collect debris. Together, the brush works with a powerful 28,000 pascal function to effectively gather dirt. At the base, you will notice a side brush on the one side and a scrubber bar on the other, designed to funnel debris towards the vacuum. Opening the top cover reveals the dust bin, which is smaller than the most modules, so you will need to empty it more often during your use. The base station has a 4-liter clean water tank and a 3.5-liter dirty water tank. Left to the front panel, and you will find the dust collection bag. There is also a slot for adding pet-specific cleaning solution, perfect for pet owners. The self-cleaning area is a one-piece design, which I love for easy removal and cleaning. Plus, the machine supports 18°C hot water mop washing and hot air drying. So what do you think of the Mova Z60? If you are on a budget but want premium features, this could be the one for you.